ibẹ̀ láàṣírí ó ṣe tú pé ìdí tá a fi rówó gbà tá a fi ń ṣépè fẹ́ Emefiele pé kì í ṣe Emefiele nìkan lè pé tọ́ sí àwọn tó yẹ kí wọ́n jọ pín èpè wọn pọ̀ díẹ̀ tó bá ti pa anírù ìjọba tó ṣerú ìwádìí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àṣírí ò bá tú púpọ̀ agbọ́ tẹni tó ń ru dọ́là káàkiri ẹni tó ń ru dọ́là káàkiri tó fẹ́ ràbò ọ̀tọ̀ lẹ́sùn tiẹ̀ ẹ̀rí ẹni tó ń ru náírà káàkiri lásìkò gbà tí a níṣòro náírà ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà gbogbo bí ó ti rówó ẹni tó gbé fún bó ṣe bank manager mẹ́jọ ló gbé fún gbogbo wọn lọ ẹ kó rí wọn lọ sí ṣùgbọ́n bóyá bòtá ń dì lónìí bóyá yóò sọ Nàìjíríà dàbẹ́ ẹ kú lé o.
Welcome you all to DG Naija once again. Thank you all for watching. And this one very quick one. We want to appreciate somebody so special. Somebody that has done so many tremendous work so far. You know, talk about family. He has been able to solve so many family. You know, he gives to widows, he gives to orphan. Even travel to Paris, not quite long, and to do some of this work he used to do. You know, a lot of people use him a lot. When I mean use him, they get content, they get good detailed evidence on any case. Talk about some bloggers like Gist Lover, you know, Tokema Kinwa TV, you know, everybody love to get details information because this man give exactly how it is. Like anything he give legit ni egbabe. This one no be say that they talk anything. So we really appreciate you, our brother, our father, Oriyomi Hamzat. Thank you for everything. Those of you who don't know who Oriyomi Hamzat is, we are going to be showing you so many pictures, of course, maybe the ones you've been seeing, where they recognize him for best activist, social activist in Nigeria, and you know, best human rights activist. A lot of award he has won so far. So we are going to be taking you through the journey of Oriyomi Hamzat, how he was able to, the brain, let's not forget that he's also the brain behind this late Timothy's death. If not for him, you know, many cases like that he has helped in giving us a good evidence for following up and so many things. You know, if not for him, only God knows. I wish we can have more of such people in our country, Nigeria, whereby even if rich people that are trying to deprive the poor, they will not be able to do that because this man fights for human rights. Like, he's also, when I say somebody is good, he's good. So
kí ló dé tẹ́ bínú tó bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn kí ló dé tẹ́ bínú tó bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ẹ ti bínú jù ẹ̀yin náà ni ẹ̀yin ni ẹ jáde lọ dìbò ó yẹ kẹ́ bínú tó yẹn ẹ gbé bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ṣe jáde lọ dìbò yẹn sì report tá gbọ́ fi yé wa pé àwọn bùdó dìbò láwọn ibì kan ó joro tí ò dẹ̀ yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ bó la ṣe fẹ́ yọ èpò kúrò nínú àlìkámọ̀ ṣé ẹ̀yin náà fẹ́ sọ pé gbogbo àwọn tán gbé kalẹ̀ kò sí ètò tẹ́yìn lọ́rùn ní abẹ́ tí mọ̀ pé ètò tẹ́yìn lọ́rùn gan wulẹ̀ lè wọlé ṣé ló jẹ́ travel kẹ́ kúrò Nàìjíríà kẹ́ gba òkè òkun lọ abẹ́ nìkan tẹ́ fẹ́ lọ ṣe ni tẹ́ wá kó sínú súùtù tẹ́ wá dì bí kùkù báyìí ṣé gẹ́ẹ̀tẹ̀ ṣé tó jẹ́ kẹ́ èèyàn kan bú mi ó ní ẹnu mi ò gbọ́rọ̀ èmi máa sọ̀rọ̀ torí èmi kúrò Nàìjíríà ọmọ tá a sì bí tá a dájọ́ súná rẹ̀ wájú tá a kàn ní káwọn aláàfọ̀ ọ̀sọ́ ọkọ̀ ọmọ kí wọ́n mọ̀ bá tiẹ̀ lọ ìtọ́bálọ̀ rẹ̀ náà ni ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ yín bá mọ̀ mí ń gbòòrò bóyá mọ̀ mí lẹ́nu iṣẹ́ mi àbẹ́ mọ̀ mí àpàdé nílé ẹ̀kọ́ àbákan tó jọmọ Nàìjíríà èmi ọmọ rẹ̀ mi mo ti jáde èmi ò wo àwọn tó wà níwájú mi èmi ò mọ àwọn tó wà lẹ́yìn mi èmi ò mọ mo ti ń bọ̀rọ̀ ayé mi bọ̀ mo ti ń bọ̀rọ̀ mi bọ̀ ọjọ́ ti pẹ́ Oríyọmí tẹ́nìkan ò mọ̀ mi ti mẹ́nìkan ìgbà tó wá fi mí hàn fara ayé ọba tó ní mi dákun máa fi mí hàn láǹpa o dákun máa fi mí hàn láǹpa ṣé mi nìkan kọ́ ló dá ó tún dẹ̀ lómìíràn ọpẹ́ mi pọ̀ púpọ̀ lọ́dọ̀ rẹ Ọlọ́run èmi nìkan kọ́ ló dá ó tún dá wọn tó pọ̀ ọpẹ́ mi pọ̀ púpọ̀ lọ́dọ̀ rẹ Ọlọ́run kò sóhun tó lè ṣe kò sóhun tó lè ṣe àfẹ́ tó bá ń wò níran kò sóhun tó lè ṣe Oriyomi ló ń wò Ọlọ́run gbọ́ èmi ni òtútù mú ìyá láyà òtútù bí wọ́n ti ẹ̀tún ní èyí tí ìró òtútù pé èyí wọ́n lótútù kékeré ni èmi Oriyomi Òkìkí ọmọ tí wọ́n bí nídìílé tí kìí ṣe ìdílé olòṣì ṣùgbọ́n tí mo gbé ìgbé ayé òṣì fún ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọdún ṣé èmi tí ẹ mọ̀ pé mo lè sìyàn dé ìdí foot of the aircraft I mean foot of the aircraft mi ìmọye tọ́jú orí mi tó kí n tó mọ ibi tí wọ́n ń pè ní airport kí n tó fojú rí real aeroplane real aircraft mi ìmọye tọ́jú ojú orí mi tó wá lé mi ọmọ ìjẹbẹ̀rí ẹnìkan wá fẹ́ mọ bínú pò pè mí lọ́mọ ìjẹbẹ̀rí jọ ṣé mo jẹbẹ̀rí down tó bá ní ọmọ ìjẹbẹ̀rí ni mí èyí tó wá ń bínú pò ṣe bú mi pọ́ ọmọ ìjẹbẹ̀rí ni mí ṣé mo jẹbẹ̀rí wàá mọ̀ gbọ́ ibi tí mo wáyé n ò já pa wá ibi tí mo wáyé mi ò wà connected mi ì sọ ọmọ olówó mi ì sọ ọmọ olòṣì mi ì wá on the platter of mo gbọ́dọ̀ lọ mo fẹ́ rọ̀fẹ̀ kí n lọ mi ò lo pálí ó pálí mi ò lo dọ́kúmẹ́ǹtì tí ò jẹ́ níwò I came professionally. I was recognized as one of the reasonable and faithful human rights activists that is fighting for the benefit of the masses. So I am here to meet others from other countries.
Still based on this election matter wey we dey gist on for this channel DG Naija. Abeg no forget if you never subscribe, do wetin? Subscribe and make we dey enjoy this story dey go. Water go as e dey hot, bó ṣe ń jẹ kini, bó ṣe ń rush, bó ṣe ń gbóná. Alright, still on this election matter, we don dey see say a lot of things don dey expose. Hey, ó ní pé tí atẹ́gùn bá fẹ́ fura díẹ̀ ṣe kini o. Ó show. Now, how come wey be say INEC never announce the election finish? We come dey see say some actress come dey sell clothes. I don't get. What happened? What's going on? I don't understand. So you are selling clothes based on the fact that you are about to swear in somebody that we've not even know the who is the winner. I've been sure I don't hear the election result for somewhere and we know they know. More put the gist ourselves. I don't understand. Now, if you know that you have so many things to talk about, let us hear your opinion on the comment section. This is DG Naija. We are bringing you more story from this video. Thank you for watching this clip from DG Naija. We hope to see you next time. Thanks to everyone. Thanks to bloggers that are giving us the accurate gist so that we can also show you to see. Don't forget, until everything is circulated, until you see it, the video is not yet over. Thank you once again. We love you guys. See you on our next one.